Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this cut refresh. She's getting a nice cleanup of that bob style. And then we see someone with mid-length dark hair. Stylist places the hair into some ponytails and begins to cut. Ooh, oh. Beautiful chic bob with the curtain bangs, really making it a fun modern hairstyle. So hair transformation number 3 is going to feature a color change. So she ends up going blonde with some beautiful curtain bangs. Very nice. She looks so cute as a blonde. So moving on to the next one, it looks like she's getting a bob makeover here. Stylist cuts the hair. Oh, I was gonna say he's going even shorter, but it looks like she's definitely getting a bob. Oh, very nice. So she kind of ends up getting a pixie bob here. Beautiful long bangs. Very fun style. So the stylist is doing another cut refresh here. It looks like she has a pop of color going there in the bangs. Oh, she's got the money piece highlights. Oh, this is pretty. I hope we get a full 360 view so that we can see the front portion better. But this is a fun way that you can do a pop of color. Oh yes, very nice. And then we have another cut refresh here. Oh, I love the way that the stylist did the color. Beautiful salt and pepper color mix with this bob. Wow, it looks like she has a completely different head full of hair. Beautifully done. And then we see this chic French girl style bob with the bangs going there in the front. Lots of body and texture here. So she has around mid-back length hair. Looks like the stylist is doing more of a layered haircut for this one. Very nice. I love the texture. It kind of has that like 80s crimped feel to it. And then we see someone with long hair, about tailbone length. She's getting some color done. Ooh, stunning copper makeover. Wow, absolutely breathtaking. And then we have some more layers for the next style. Oh, she has her beautiful curly natural texture here. Oh, so she ended up getting a blowout. So pretty. The layers look amazing. And then here we have someone with very long hair. So she ends up getting some color, perfect for the fall. Very nice. Wow, her hair is so long. So long and pretty. Next up, we have someone with some grown out color. So of course she's getting a color touch up here. Ooh. Wow, that was like a really pretty silver ombre. And then we have a beautiful dimensional blonde. So we have another layered haircut style for the next one. So she gets the face framing curtain bangs here. I love her makeup too, by the way. So he does a blowout and we can see the full job of the layers. So pretty. Perfectly frames her face. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.